It's a beautiful autumn day today, and the river's out, blue as anything. Very lovely day today. Parcel has arrived yesterday, and it's my Christmas in July mystery box from It's Raining Yarn. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for a few days for this to arrive. So I'm going to open it up with you later to show you what's in my beautiful box. So to start off with, I'd like to show you these that I got from Temu. Now, they'll, I don't know, about $5-6, and they're beautiful coat hangers. But I got them to make this from Crochet. So it's lovely. And I used, like Mary said, to use the ribbon. So that's what I did. And it's very simple stitch. I've forgotten what the stitch is, but I'll remember in a minute. I'm not very good at this, as you know. So, but I'm getting there. So now, the other exciting thing, I love frogs. And my auntie sent me this beautiful frog from Canberra. And look at his little tongue. I think he's lovely. Yes, it's just a little ornament she's just sent. And I think he's lovely. So he will sit in my sewing room. And this is my sewing room view. It is beautiful. There's my Janome there all covered up. My lemon drink that I was just about to drink. And there's me 10,000 Janome. And up there is my big baby 11,000. No, sorry, 550E. So, how about we get back to this and open our box. So I've opened it up just so I didn't have to make too much noise in the opening it up. So this is how it all came. So everyone's blue bag will differ. I'm not sure about what we have to do with our blue bag, but look at all the goodies. Oh, so excited. And there's a little thing says a gift. Another little thing there says a gift. Gift. And gift. And another little gift. Oh, so exciting, look in here. A gift. Wow. And a gift. And another gift. Ooh, listen to that. And there's another gift. So, I'm not sure what I do from here. And then there's this lovely thing that says gift. Oh, there's something in the bottom. There's a card. And there's a little heart. And it says, thank you for purchasing my Christmas box in July from It's Raining Yarns. I appreciate your love, support from my channel for the past year. Your Christmas box in July consists of yarn and gift. The 12 days of Christmas in July are labelled with little sticker with each day on it. Every day you'll open up one of your Christmas papers, wraps, package of yarn, and then in up to the discretion when you open up your bags that are labelled gifts. On the 13th day, you will open up Christmas in July gift, which is labelled 13. There is also a surprise in a blue plastic bag, which contains contents will be slightly from box one to the next. I hope you enjoy your mid-year box, but it is my wish that you and your family have a wonderful summer season. Thank you again for support. Look forward to another awesome year on my channel. Much love, Junior, Sweet Pea, Ruby, Tippy, Kevin and Russ. That is absolutely beautiful. That's a lovely little letter. So, I gather, well, there's another gift. Well, ooh, that one's open. That one's open. Well, that's a gift too. Oh, look at all these gifts. Right, so let's open up and read this. What's in this? Huh? Let's have a look. I'm doing this on my iPhone because I'm not sure how to do it on the iPad. There's my husband going with a load of wood. They'll be wood hooking this morning. Oh, by the way, I brought myself a little sign. And it says, "Today I choose to be happy." And I thought that was really nice, a little sign. I'll have to stop, sorry. It's a lovely little Christmas card. And inside of this says, "Wish you Merry Christmas," from Kevin and Russ. Oh, that's lovely. Isn't it cute? Decided that I'm going to open up 5 gifts as I am in days 7, 8 today, July. It is Sunday here at 1 o'clock. And I'll open up 2 little gifts. So I'll put you on hold. Right, the first one is Style Craft, and it's special double knit. And I've never seen it before. It's 100% acrylic. Beautiful blue colour. And it feels so soft. It feels lovely. Thank you very much, Russ. Right. Number 2 is Style Craft Special Double Knit, and it feels so beautiful, soft, and it's 100 grams, and it's premium acrylic, and it's approximately 290 meters, 322 yards. Naturally anti-pill. Wow, we don't get hardly any anti-pill here in Australia. Acrylic made in Australia. So this is awesome. And it takes 4mm crocheting hook. Wow. And washing instructions. Machine washable. That is just awesome. Especially if you're knitting children's stuff and blankets that you know, it's got to be washed. Right, now this big one. Oh, Santa's official naughty and nice list agency. We always check it twice. Oh, that's oh, I love the wrapping paper. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Worsted Holiday Sparkle Yarn. Wow. And it's from Hirschman's. Now, I tried to order some from Hirschman's, and they didn't send it. They didn't post to Australia. They posted to Brazil and all these other countries, but not to Australia, which I do not understand why not, which is very sad. We miss out on these beautiful yarns. Look at it. It's just beautiful. It's got a little sparkle in it. A lovely big ball. And the colour's called Holiday Elegance. And the stats, 92% acrylic and 8% polyester. Oh, it's 8 ounce, which is 226 grams, which is 489 yards, which is 444 metres. 448 metres, sorry. And takes size crocheting hook up to 1 to 9. Machine washable and dry. It's a medium weight. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I just wish I had another one of that one. I could make a beautiful blanket. That is absolutely awesome. Oh, thank you so much, Russ. That's absolutely beautiful. Number 4 is Stylecraft Special Double Knit, number 4. And it feels so beautiful. So soft. I can't believe it. Number 5 is Stylecraft Special Double Knit, and it's a beautiful purple. Beautiful. Oh, Russ, you've done so well. I'm up to 5 days. Oh, it's so lovely. And it's yarns we do not get in Australia. And we miss out on so much. And that Hirschman, I tried to order some specials they had, and they do not deliver to Australia and New Zealand. They deliver to all these other countries, and I just didn't understand why. They're missing out on so much sales from us Australians. Much money, a mess with all the paper, of getting excited. Oh well, Crochet's beautiful coat hangers sitting over there nicely. Right, in this gift one that I've opened up, inside there was all these bookmarks, little markers, and I definitely need some because I keep losing them. They are beautiful, thank you, and in a beautiful little container. I might jazzle that up. And thank you so much, Russ. That's beautiful. Now, I have to put the phone down because trying to open up the second one. Now, the second one's got a bit of a rattle to it. Isn't that lovely? Oh, look at the little box. Isn't that cute? That is lovely. Let's see if I can open it up. Oh, that is so cute. I got heaps of these. I got some more. Oh, that's so lovely. And that little box, I mean, you can decorate it. Look at it. It's absolutely beautiful little box. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Well, I've had a beautiful day with my Stylecraft, which we cannot get in Australia, and it's such a beautiful yarn. And oh, I'd die for the Worsted Holiday Sparkle yarn from Hirschman's. I'm not quite sure how to say it. and then my green and purple, and my 2 beautiful little gifts. Thank you so much, Russ. So I've got so much more to do to show you. Yes, I'd just like to thank everybody who's supported me. And I really do appreciate it. I thank everybody who supported me. I've been so unwell. Been in hospital all this time is a real eye-opener. Life is very, very short. But we'll get there. I'm trying to be positive. And special thanks to the few people that have subscribed to my channel. I'm not professional. This is me. I'm just a old lady that really enjoys interaction with people. If I didn't have my YouTube friends, life might be a little bit different. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I hope you like my Christmas in July. And thank you very much, Russ. It was beautiful, and I bless you. Thank you. Have a good day and good night, everybody.